Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. Today we're going to wrap up our discussion about personality types that we meet at the counter. Now, if you missed the first three types, be sure to check those out on social media or over on our YouTube channel. So let's talk about type 4, the chameleon. Okay, this one's pretty interesting because this customer can be a combination of any of the previously discussed personalities, but of course you're never going to see the contradictory points like a in a hurry storyteller, right? The key to understanding this type is learning to read your customer by using active listening and social cues. Those are very, very important. This customer tends to say what they need from you. It may be subtle, so you need to adopt the practice of treating every customer the same. We say it all the time, every car, every time. This in general is best practice anyway because we want to give every customer the opportunity to be a loyal customer. When we take that approach, we become consistent. Our processes become geared towards active listening as well as proper documentation and communication. And those are so important. Now, I hope you enjoyed this series. We're going to be covering customer complaints in our next discussion. So if you're interested in that and you have not already, please subscribe to our YouTube and social media accounts. If you're a shop owner or a manager, please use our content for training and discussions in your shops. And if you need more or you're interested in finding out what other solutions we offer, just reach out to us. And as always, we can't wait to see you.